Hey friends, welcome back to Kitchen and Home Review. In this video, we review 25 newest Amazon home gadgets that make everyday life easier. These smart and modern tools make your home cleaner, more comfortable, and easier to manage. Each gadget is selected for quality and real daily use. If you love Amazon home gadgets, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more. So friends, let's start. Make laundry easy anywhere with this 16L mini foldable laundry machine. Designed for baby clothes, underwear, and socks, it delivers powerful yet gentle washing with a built-in spinner. Lightweight, portable, and space-saving, it's perfect for travel, dorm rooms, small apartments, and camping, giving you clean clothes anytime, anywhere, without the hassle of a full-size washer. Robot Vacuum, world's first water recycle system. No manual water replacement, no drainage or installation required. 3IS10 Ultra Robot Vacuum pioneered the water recycle system. It distills wastewater and captures air moisture to produce purified water, ensuring an endless supply. This eco-friendly design eliminates the need for water supply and drainage connections, allowing for flexible placement anywhere in your home. Ultra Reach Extendable Roller Mop. This self-cleaning robot vacuum mop operates at 330 RPM, boosting cleaning results by 153%. It features 12 spray holes for a steady flow of distilled water and delivers over 7 N of consistent mopping pressure. The built-in scraper keeps the roller mop spotless, while the automatic extension allows for precise cleaning along walls down to the millimeter. Upgrade your workspace with the KDD Desk Pad Mat Set, a smart 6-in-1 solution for modern home offices. This large mouse mat comes with magnetic desktop accessories you can customize your way. Use it as a phone or tablet stand, cup holder, pen and card holder, and cable organizer. The smooth surface improves mouse control while protecting your desk from scratches and spills. Stylish, functional, and flexible, it keeps your workspace organized and productive. Smart Humidifiers. Drio Smart Humidifiers for Bedroom offers precise humidity control at home. With advanced algorithm and auto mode, it senses humidity levels with twice higher precision. Intelligent ambient light keeps you informed of changes. It can be controlled via voice, Alexa or Google Assistant, or the Drio app. Easily adjust settings like mist volume, timer, and ambient lighting. Powered by Drio's dual intake design, this cool mist humidifier for large room creates a supersized mist 3 times larger than most air humidifiers, bringing faster dry air relief and helping you breathe easy and healthy. Drio Portable Humidifier features an easy top fill design. You can fill it up without flipping the tank or spilling water. Steam Compact Iron. Anti-drip SmartStream technology. Engineered to prevent dripping by maintaining water at the proper temperature needed to generate steam. Volts, 120 V. Wattage, 1200 W. Requires AC power. Easy fill translucent water tank. 3-way auto shutoff. Get peace of mind with motion-sensitive technology that automatically shuts off the iron if left inactive on its heel, side, or sole plate. To clean iron, wipe sole plate and outer surfaces with a soft cloth dampened with water. TrueGlide Non-Stick Sole Plate. The enhanced sole plate is designed to glide smoothly across all fabric types for ease of use. Recommended for fabrics such as cotton wool blend polyester, rayon nylon synthetic. Spray Mist. This push-button mister helps moisten fabrics to tackle and smooth away deep wrinkles. Ergonomic Comfort Grip Handle. Comfort grip handle ergonomically shaped to fit hand contours for comfort, while 360 degrees pivoting cord allows for easy maneuverability. Vacuum Cleaner. Upgraded Cyclone System. The Eureka Power Speed is now upgraded with new cyclone technology to handle larger debris, smaller dirt, and even microscopic dust. Specific uses: hard floor, carpet dual action. Powerful pickup. Penetrates deep into the carpet to extract embedded dirt, dust, and debris. Lightweight. Power Speed does all the work while still remaining lightweight. 5 height settings. The Power Speed works well on carpets, shag rugs, and hard floors. Its wheels run smoothly on hardwood floors to prevent scratches or gouges. Multiple accessories included. A quick-release handle is connected to the stretch hose for above-floor cleaning. A 7-inch long crevice tool, dusting brush, and upholstery tool help clean hard-to-reach areas. Extract dirt and pet hair and freshen up your car, curtains, ceilings, or door frames. For your convenience, they are all stored right on board. Lint Remover. Restore your fabrics with the Electrolux Rechargeable Fabric Shaver, designed to eliminate fuzz, lint, and pilling from clothes and furniture. With 3 adjustable speeds and a sharp, efficient shaving system, it delivers quick, gentle refreshes to your garments. The LED display shows power and speed levels, while the Type-C fast charging port keeps it ready anytime. Stylish in blue, it's a powerful tool for keeping fabrics looking new. Meet the Priestley Small Air Purifier, a quiet, desktop-friendly solution for cleaner air in your home, bedroom, dorm, or office. With a 3-in-1 HEPA filter, it captures smoke, dust, pet dander, allergies, and odors. Operating at just 20 dB, it's whisper quiet while freshening your space. Plus, it doubles as an essential oil diffuser to add a calming scent to your environment. Perfect for healthier, fresher air every day. Electric Spin Scrubber. Efficient cleaning home assistant. Do you often bend over or kneel on the floor to do housework? Don't be afraid. From now on, you can efficiently finish your housework in a relaxed posture with the Dovety Electric Cleaning Brush. Dovety 2024 new upgraded pink electric spin scrubber is here to help you solve all the problems. Say goodbye to the traditional tedious cleaning. Take care of your family and let them less tired from cleaning. Dual speed for efficient cleaning. The pink shower brush set has 2 cleaning speeds. Low speed 300 RPM, high speed 500 RPM. The default speed is high when the brush is started, and long press for 2 seconds to easily switch to high speed. Allows you to choose the cleaning method that works for you, to meet your different cleaning needs and cope with different levels of stains, saving you valuable time. Keep your drink hot with this coffee mug warmer. Designed for the fastest heating and highest temperature to maintain your coffee or tea just the way you like it. It features 4 temperature settings and a 1 to 12-hour timer with auto shut-off for safety. Perfect for your desk or home, this smart electric beverage warmer ensures every sip stays warm and enjoyable throughout your day. Brighten your space with the Globe Electric 67135 Torchère floor lamp. Standing 72 inches tall in a sleek matte black finish, it features a frosted shade for soft ambient light and an adjustable reading arm for focused tasks. The dual rotary switch offers easy control with 3-step dimming, making it perfect for modern living rooms, bedrooms, or offices where style meets everyday functionality. Smart Litter Box. Make cat care easier with the FELNEDY self-cleaning litter box, the automatic litter solution designed for modern pet owners. This smart robot features adorable cat ears, a large 65L capacity, and advanced odor control to keep your home fresh. Built-in safety sensors protect your pets, while the real-time app monitor lets you track usage and status from anywhere. Perfect for multiple cats, it automatically cleans after each use and collects waste into a lined compartment, with 1 trash bag included to get you started. Enjoy a cleaner, safer, and more convenient litter experience for you and your cats. Fingerprint Door Lock. Upgrade your home security with the Ironson 5-in-1 fingerprint door lock, the 2025 smart deadbolt designed for fast, keyless convenience. This advanced lock offers fingerprint access, a touchscreen keypad, app control for IC cards, and traditional keys for flexible entry. With lightning-fast recognition and auto-lock technology, it keeps your home secure without any hassle. Manage codes, check access history, and control settings right from the app. Perfect for homes, apartments, or offices, this upgraded smart lock delivers stronger security and smarter control in one sleek design. Upgrade your couch comfort with the Nuvant Couch Cup Holder Tray. Crafted from premium acacia wood, this 3-in-1 sofa arm tray features a spacious surface for drinks, snacks, and essentials. The secure clip-on design fits most sofa armrests, while the built-in 360-degree rotating phone holder keeps your screen at the perfect viewing angle. Stylish, sturdy, and functional, it's the ideal solution for relaxing, working, or enjoying entertainment right from your couch. Storage Ottoman. Add style, comfort, and smart storage to any room with the Udinova 30-inch folding ottoman. This multifunctional piece works as a footrest, extra seat, or storage bench, holding up to 350 pounds with strong, reliable support. Wrapped in soft gray linen fabric, it blends beautifully with modern or classic decor. The spacious interior is perfect for storing blankets, books, toys, or accessories, helping keep your space neat and organized. Best of all, it folds flat for easy storage when not in use, making it an ideal addition to living rooms, bedrooms, apartments, and small spaces. Meet the Enabot EBO Rolla Mini Family Bot, a smart 2K pet camera robot that moves freely around your home. Control it from your phone, enjoy real-time video, one-touch calling, and clear two-way talk. With night vision, motion detection, video recording, and a long-lasting battery, it's the perfect way to stay connected with your pets and family anytime. Rideable luggage. Travel becomes easier and more fun with this 20-inch ride-on luggage featuring a foldable seat for kids and adults. The sturdy hardshell design includes a safety seat belt, a convenient front pocket, and lockable 4-spinner wheels for smooth movement. With a built-in USB port and TSA-approved lock, it keeps your essentials secure and your devices powered. Perfect for airports, family trips, and on-the-go comfort. Microfiber Spin Mop. Hands-free ringing. Our exclusive mop bucket design features a built-in ringer that allows for hands-free ringing, while Splash Guard keeps water splash and spray inside the bucket when ringing or when transporting the bucket from room to room. Machine washable. The EasyWring microfiber mop head is machine washable and reusable. We recommend replacing the mop head refill every 3 months for optimal floor cleaning results. Deep cleaning microfiber. O'Cedar's EasyWring microfiber spin mop bucket floor cleaning system uses millions of strands of advanced microfiber to effectively capture dirt and grime with just plain water, eliminating the need for harsh chemicals. Safe for all hard flooring, including finished hardwood, wood laminate, tile, vinyl, and more. System includes EasyWring bucket, telescopic handle that adjusts to 4.25 feet, 51 inches, and microfiber mop head. Photo printer. Capture and print your favorite memories instantly with the Lean M104x6 photo printer. Designed for both iPhone and Android users, this portable printer uses advanced thermal dye sublimation to produce rich, full-color photos that last. With built-in Wi-Fi, you can connect your phone directly and print anytime, anywhere. The bundle includes 100 sheets of photo paper and 3 cartridges, giving you everything you need to get started. Perfect for travel, parties, scrapbooking, or everyday moments, the Lean M100 makes high-quality photo printing simple, fast, and fun. Night light. Motion-activated LED sensor. The LED toilet light with high-quality light sensor and motion sensor. It will automatically turn on when detects movement and stay on for 2 minutes after last movement, protecting your kids from stumbling around in the dark. Ultra-water resistant and can be cleaned with most household cleaners. No more messy cleanups. It is a dream to find your way easily and safely without any worries, the choice of modern life. Creative lighting design. Choose between 8 single colors or color cycle. This toilet night lamp is going to make your toilet beautiful and easy to use at night. You can keep one color or color rotation on this bowl of light. Easy to install and clean. Operated by 3 AAA batteries, 1.5V, battery not included, which can be easily get and change. Simple design makes it easy to clean. Multifunction night light. Meet the THIRDRELITY multifunction night light, a smart 3-in-1 device designed to upgrade your home. This compact gadget works as a motion sensor, an illumination sensor, and a customizable RGB night light, giving you convenience and security in one place. It doubles as a Zigbee repeater, helping extend the range and stability of your smart home network. You can adjust the brightness anywhere from 1% to 100% to match your mood or space. Perfect for hallways, bedrooms, and entryways, it automatically reacts to movement and lighting conditions for hands-free comfort. Requires a Zigbee hub to operate. Space heater. ETL certified safety. Made of V0 flame retardant materials with multiple safety features including built-in smart tip-over protection, overheat protection, 12-hour timer, 24-hour automatic power off without interaction, V0 flame retardant 2-prong plug, and sturdy 6 feet long flat power cord. Safe and worry-free all-day use. Safety reminder: please do not use with an extension cord. Only plug directly into the wall outlet. Fast indoor ceramic heater. Powerful 1500 WPTC ceramic heating allows this space heater to heat up in seconds, suitable for warming up spaces in the home including bedrooms, basements, garages, living rooms, and can also be used in offices, dorms, hot yoga studios, etc. Heating coverage: 200 square foot. Humidifier. Keep your air comfortable with the Levoit Top Fill Humidifier, designed with a 2.5L tank for bedrooms and large rooms. Its easy top-fill design makes refilling and cleaning simple, while the 28 dB quiet operation is perfect for homes, nurseries, and plants. With up to 25 hours of cool mist, BPA-free materials, and auto shutoff for safety, this humidifier delivers reliable, soothing moisture day and night. Beat the heat anywhere with the Arctic Air Pure Chill 2.0. This lightweight and portable evaporative air cooler uses advanced hydrochill technology to turn warm air into cool, refreshing comfort. Powerful yet whisper quiet, it's perfect for bedrooms, offices, and living rooms, delivering personal cooling that's energy efficient and easy to use wherever you need it. Baby dryer. Make hair drying safe and comfortable for little ones with the Fika Kids hair dryer. Designed with low noise and gentle heat, it protects kids' sensitive skin while providing quick, easy drying. Its lightweight, child-friendly design and fun yellow-green color make it perfect for daily use. A great gift for birthdays, Christmas, or any special occasion, this kid-focused dryer brings safety, comfort, and smiles to every routine. Convertible table. Maximize your workspace with the Homcom L-shaped desk, designed for modern home offices. Its 360-degree rotating design lets you customize your layout, while built-in storage shelves keep essentials organized and within reach. Perfect as a writing table or computer workstation, this sleek white desk fits neatly into corners to save space. Functional, stylish, and versatile, it's ideal for boosting productivity in any room. Clothes dryer. Dry your clothes anywhere with the Majoko Portable Clothes Dryer, the compact solution perfect for apartments, RVs, and travel. Despite its small size, it delivers fast, quiet drying with an adjustable timer for customized use. Lightweight and easy to set up, this mini dryer offers hassle-free convenience wherever you go. Ideal for quick drying needs, it keeps your laundry routine simple and efficient. Enjoy convenience right from your couch with the Couch Console Original Tray. This sleek sofa caddy securely fits over your armrest, holding drinks, snacks, your phone, and TV remotes all in one place. Designed with multiple compartments and a built-in phone stand, it keeps everything within easy reach. Perfect for living rooms, RVs, or even cars, its durable black design blends seamlessly with any space, making relaxation cleaner, easier, and more comfortable. Travel smarter with this lightweight folding stroller wagon, designed for babies and toddlers on the go. Featuring a 360 degrees reversible seat, adjustable canopy for sun protection, and a convenient storage basket, it keeps your child comfortable and essentials close. Compact, easy to fold, and airplane-friendly, this umbrella stroller is perfect for travel, daily walks, and family adventures. Stay cool and comfortable with the Drio Nomad 1-Tower fan, delivering powerful 25 feet per second airflow with ultra-quiet performance. It's perfect for bedrooms and indoor spaces. Featuring 90 degrees oscillation, 4 speeds, 4 smart modes, and an 8-hour timer, this sleek bladeless standing fan provides smooth, refreshing air while saving space and energy. Easily tackle pet hair with the Black Plus Decker Pet Hair Remover Roller. Designed to remove dog and cat hair from furniture, clothing, and car interiors, it makes cleanup fast and effortless. Durable, reusable, and simple to use, it keeps your home and belongings hair-free in seconds.